Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode of Eiffel Garage. Today we work on the Cadillac engine, and I actually brought in my friend Nick here today because I haven't really worked on these kinds of engines before, so this is pretty new to me. And yeah, as you maybe can see behind me here, I can show you. We have all the things we need here on the shelf. So we have all the bearings and all the gaskets and everything we need to put this together. And yeah, I think this will go pretty smooth actually. I can also show you the crankshaft. It's been cleaned and smoothened out and it looks pretty good. So I think this will work fine.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. This, yeah. Him and her and them over there. They looking over here, they giving me a stare like I care. Like I care. No, no. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not fucking with me, alright. Wish how they looking at me. She want me to slide for the fling. She want me to show her some things. But right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, been shipping my sauce, been writing these songs since 48 key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all for the soul, your shit 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been decking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me. No drama, more flights next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody's grass. I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna beat me, I'm trying to do Fiji. I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I align with your soul.
I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 Yeah, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I can breathe again. The rope around my neck is loose. Couldn't see it then. The beauty that's around me too. It's been so long. Colors. It's been so long. Never thought that I would get a second chance in life to finally feel alive. Let's see the hope, the wild inside. It's been so long. Colors. It's been so long. Blue sky, deep dive, open ocean in the water. I feel free. Fly high in the sky with the birds, feel the breeze. I feel
blir bara quick liksom. Sådär Max!
Det gick ju bra som helst. Okay guys, I would like to say that that was the first try, but that is not simply the truth. So yeah, but the engine works, and we're gonna put back all the hoses and everything so we can put in some water and make it run a little bit longer than we just did. So let's start with that.